So I'm at a job here today in Coogee, and this one here we're going to do a relocation of this socket in this bedroom. They want it behind the TV. Now behind the wall over here, on the opposite side of this wall, is the TV area, which I'll show you now. So they've got NBN coming at the moment. They've got ADSL on this, and they want to have another socket over here, behind here. So behind this wall here, this is the one where the socket's going to come out. So we're just going to get a measurement on that from the other side. And then here you can see there's two cables. There's also a third cable here. Now with NBN, we just want to have one socket working because you can have like bridge tap issues and stuff like that. So I've identified that that this one here that I've got this on has got an old dial tone on it from a previous service. So they're not paying for an ADSL service here, but it's still connected and it's got a dial tone on it. So, and this one here is the one that's going down to the MDF. So we'll disconnect these ones and then we're going to extend that cable out onto the back on and join the new cable to the old cable that's going back down to the MDF. Now I've put a piece of slimline duct on here, and then we've got the other bit here, which we're going to put on here in a second. And we're going to keep that other bit just in case they want it. I'm going to put that inside the duct here as well. And then run that over and we'll go up through the wall. Drilled it through from this side here now, and you can see it's lined up perfectly with the power point. So that'll make it all nice and easy to put a new one on and make it look neat. As you can see here now, I've got the ducting on and it's going up there. It's all nice and neat. This is actually the bed, so it's behind this bed, so I won't even see this once it's done. And now I'm going to take my cable up and punch it through this hole, push through the hole, and then we've got the socket on the other side. Going up inside the duct, going through the hole, and we'll be poking through the other side, the wall where the TV is. That's that part done now, and all the covers are on, and that's this side done. I'll just put this cover on here on this socket, and that's it. So this side now you can see we've got the cable popping through, and we're just going to mount this mounting block and then put the socket on, and that's it, job done. Now put the socket on behind the TV, and that is it, job done.